Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are making this amazing cucumber juice that you are going to love. I have added several other ingredients that you are going to learn as you continue watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button. And now let's get started. And the first ingredient is apple. And we're just going to take the apple and cut it into smaller pieces that you can easily blend. Remember to remove the seeds and the other parts that you do not need. I just cut that into small pieces before adding it to a blender. And apples are highly nutritious, and it's also said that an apple a day will keep you away from the doctor. So it is important to always eat apple, and maybe you can juice it if you do not like eating it as it is. And the next ingredient is a cucumber. A cucumber is high in nutrients, and it's also low in calories, and most importantly it contains the vitamins and the minerals that we need for our body. And the next ingredients are lemons. Lemons are citrus fruits that contain vitamin C that are and vitamin C helps to promote our immunity, and especially during this time that we have the coronavirus, it's important to take fruits that are high in vitamin C. And oranges also contain vitamin C because they're citrus fruits, and for this recipe I'm just adding the oranges for taste. So I added one orange, it had a lot of juice, and just squeezing that and getting the juice from the oranges. And I'm not even going to add the juice in the blender, but what I want to do is to add the zest into the blender, because also the zest contains minerals and vitamins that could be important for our health. And like I said, this juice is highly nutritious. You're going to love it and so refreshing. And another thing that I added is a ginger. You can see the size that I used. So just peel the ginger and then cut it into small pieces like you see. A ginger is very important, and it also helps in weight loss. And it also contains minerals that are important for the body. And after that, I added 1.5 cups of clean water. And you're just going to add it in there, then cover your blender and ready for blending. And if you haven't watched my video on how to clean fruits at home, kindly consider doing so. Like you see, these fruits are very clean, and I just explained how I wash my fruits at home just to get rid of pesticides from the fruits. And after that, now you're just going to blend all these ingredients together. The idea is to come up with a juice that contains all of them, so that when you take, even if it's just half a glass, you know that you're taking a very nutritious juice. So the idea is to blend until everything has been blended well. After blending, you can see how the mixture looks like. Now we are going to sieve the juice. And the idea is to get the juice from this mixture, and also the fiber. You can use it in your smoothies because it also it's high in fiber, which is important for our body as well. And after that, you can see the juice is ready. So now in I go with the orange juice that we had already set aside, mainly for flavor. And you're just going to give that a good mix, and the juice is ready. You can see it's very simple to put it together and highly nutritious, and these ingredients are locally available. You can get them. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have subscribed to my channel, share with a friend, and thank you so much. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Until then, have a nice time.